I'm bored, so you guys are gonna watch me cook for myself. So that's what the final product looked like. Slicing these onions, not dicing them. These onions in. I dropped a few. Main entree, the steak. Let's season this. Salt it, black pepper. Don't discriminate against the olive oil. That's what you need to hear. I gave it about 2 minutes. Now I'm going to give it a flip. Got a good crust. This is just some ginger garlic paste I'm going to use for a base. I'm going to let this rest. Meantime, we got to make. So the water has started to boil. While the ramen's going, let's put some stuff. Ginger garlic paste. Also, don't forget about the seasoning packet. Never forget about that. Oh shit. So the steak is done. Came out really good. Now what's left is just to put it all together. Take the instant ramen, put that in there. Give it a good old mix. The onions are done. They've been done actually, so let's, my god, this is gonna be so good. Lay it down. Don't sleep on these. We got some of like the burnt garlic ginger from the steak.
That'll be a good garnish.
I'm gonna put some of that in too. Oh man. Look at this. I want to make sure I get like all of it, like the steak, the noodles, and all just like one fucking bite. It's kind of hard. Holy crap, that's so good. Oh my god.